Do you think if you had this, like when you started, let's say within a month of you into the game, would you have been in a different place today?
Yeah, bro, definitely. I would say like 2, 3 months, bro. You can really like turn stuff around if you really locked in. Yeah, bro.
All right, let's get this started, man.
Man, let's do it.
How you been, man?
Not too bad, bro. How you been? I see you move house in the background.
Blessed, blessed. Yeah, I had to move to a bigger place, you know. But you were actually here in Dubai for a couple of days. My brother told me, it was like, yo,
Yeah, I was meant to meet him, but I just didn't have time though. So I was there for like a week, something like that.
Yeah, how was that?
Good, bro. Dubai is a different level, to be honest.
Was it your first time?
Yeah, it was my first time, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Let's go see it. Let's go check it out. It's not bad, bro. But maybe next time, bro. Next time we'll definitely meet.
It's great. It's not just not bad. It's actually really good. But yeah, next time for sure, man. Pull up. But yeah, man, what got you interested in automated trading in the first place?
Bro, honestly, I can't even lie, bro. Before even buying your bot, like, I think it was which one was the first version that you launched?
Yeah, the
Before that,
Pantheon.
I didn't know, bro. I lost count how many bots I bought yet. So I bought like crazy bots. And like they all like crap, bro. Like they work to a certain extent, but they all blow your account. And then after I find the first bot, that was doing really well, like back in the days when I first bought it, and then I had my good days and my bad days, and still like made out with it. But it was still like trading ranges. So as we know, like when you train ranges, the next move that's gonna be is gonna be a breakout.
Oh yeah.
That used to be a bit of a challenge for me, so I kind of paused on that, and then after a little bit, I was still testing EAs, and bro, I wasn't getting those results still. And then I tried with Archangel. I was like, I was all literally on every single, that launch videos they used to do. Like, so I was like, every time I was on it, I was like, all right, let's go, let's see what this is all about. And then I looked at it, I was like, I don't know. And I kind of like really like, I think I waited like a year, like 1 year
Whoa.
to join it. I was like, I don't even know if it's gonna work. But then I was like, you know what, let's do it. Let's do it. I think your brother reached me, Eddie. So I just bought it, and then ever since then, bro, it's been good. Is that the thing is I think what people think is you buy a bot, you don't have to put the work in. Bro, I've been literally backtesting that thing for like a month or like more than a month. But yeah, then those backtesters, they pay off, bro. That's all.
Exactly. I mean, there's definitely a bit of work in the beginning, but once you find those files, you can ride them for a few months.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. I know that I know if even now I have a good set file, I know it's not gonna work forever. Like I can't, like you say it. I know that it's not gonna work, bro. Like especially in these markets, like Trump and all this war stuff going on.
Yeah, that's a bad mindset to have too. Like, let's be honest. Even as a manual trader, like sometimes you have to adjust. Like it's not always the same thing.
I've been trading myself, and sometimes that bot catches those trades, and I'll be like, just looking, bro, where did you buy that from? Like, why did you do that? But then it has its own way of like, obviously that's why at the end of the day that's automated.
Yeah.
For a while, like if you put the work in, I would say like if you do those back tests of 4 month, 6 month back tests, they do really pay off. I think that's people get scared about that because they don't have the fast VPS or like a computer that's not good for those back tests. But I just literally bought like a VPS with 24 cores, and I just literally like for a month and just been crushing on that thing. It's like it's been like even now he's speaking, he's on a back test for on EU, and it's literally still doing its thing. So
Yeah.
but definitely, if anyone is like wants to buy it and they like want to put the work in, then bro, 100%.
Yeah, absolutely, bro. They just they think money's just gonna fall from the sky, having to do nothing, just click a button.
Yeah, people think this guy just buy and get rich next day, bro. But got back tested. But even now, as we speak, like I think that bot took like the results are posted in the Discord. It was like I think 15, 16 days worth of trades because it was like on high risk. Obviously, it's 3 lots.
Yeah. So you're talking about this one, right?
Yeah.
So we got a 50K account here, and it's $17,000 in profits. How you said this was 16 days?
It's about less than a month. Yeah, less than a month.
So about a couple of weeks, let's say.
But if you look at this one now, like if you see that, I don't know if you can see the numbers, bro.
It's blurry because you got the filter on.
We're on 19K right now.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, bro. It's just it works.
Yeah, it works if you work. That's it. It's simple, man. You do a couple back tests, couple forward tests.
Yeah, that's with everything. Like even with businesses, bro. They say like they're gonna fail in the first 12 years, like 12 months, like 2 to 3 businesses fail. So it's just a mindset. I think you have to have that mindset. They're gonna end up. They're gonna win one day, and then just keep pushing for that.
Yeah, 100%, man. And like, how long ago did you start trading in general? So not automated trading.
Oh, not automated though. 2 years, bro.
2 years. Okay.
Like I've got in that cycle where you first like you just like think you're gonna make money, and then you like start following a strategy, and then you start like back testing it, forward testing it, demo accounts, all that. And it works to a certain extent. Like on demos, you just feel like you're doing good, then you get to your live account.
Live account.
Psychology kicks in.
Yeah, well, it's different when you trade real money. It's different.
Yeah, bro. When you're on real funds or even challenges, bro. Even if you pass your funded account, people like they go crazy on risk on challenges, and then when they fund it, they're stuck, bro. Even like they take $100 loss, they just make it such a big deal, and they just
It's that pressure.
They end up losing the account. Yeah, bro. But yeah, man, manually I'm doing good as well, but it's just like I just really keep it low key. Like I only take setups that make sense. But then with the bot, I just literally now when I'm looking at these results, I'm like, is it even worth trading manual? Like, I think, dude, I'm sleeping. This thing is sprinting. Like, I don't know. Yeah, it's actually. I think that's the future, bro. Especially with this whole technology that we have nowadays. It's just
100%.
Bro, yeah, just definitely way forward.
I said, do you think if you had this, like when you started, let's say within a month of you into the game, would you have been in a different place today?
With the EA?
With this EA, yeah.
Yeah, bro, definitely. Like if I put like even two months into this EA and I was proper locked in on it, like back testing and every day looking at the stats, like seeing what the results are like, and then back testing and forward testing everything. I would say like 2-3 months, bro. You can really like turn stuff around if you really locked in. Yeah, bro, definitely. But I think that's the thing with everything. Like even manual, I need to lock in on that because, bro, even people ask me like share your set file. I just don't do it because I know the amount of work you put in that thing, bro, to get those results. People are not willing to do that, and bro, just back test.
Yeah.
Not trying to sound cocky or anything, but just back test, bro. Like that's. But even if I do share a set file, if you want to take a challenge and I'm on the same prop, I don't know if maybe you can change your like settings a little bit, the entries and stop losses and stuff. But
if they're asking for it, they're not gonna change anything. They're just gonna.
Even if you're too profitable, bro, I know if I'm making 19K, that prop. Maybe they pay on the first time, second time, but third time they're like, all right, bro, you done this prop.
Chill out. They're like, chill out.
You know that, so definitely like you need to start going live and, as you said, milk the prop firms and then go live. Like.
Yeah, bro, I've been saying that for years, man. The prop firm is just like a stepping stone, You get your first payout, your maybe second payout at most, and then you take that, you run with it to your personal account. There you have freedom, you have no drawdown limits, you got like. And if you're working with a decent broker, you're guaranteed to get whatever you make. There's no like, oh, they stop paying out, this, that,
Yeah, definitely.
That's probably the biggest problem with prop firms, especially in the Forex space.
Yeah, even in Discord or like even people they're like struggling with brokers, like what brokers is good. Like, bro, there's 100 brokers out there. Like, it's not hard to find a decent broker, but.
No, there's a lot of good, decent brokers for sure. But prop firms is harder to find a good prop firm than it is to find a good broker.
No, I mean they will pay you once or twice, and then they're done. Well, I've been there, done that. So yeah.
Unless you're with FTMO, which basically is the biggest, but also the hardest to get into, right? Then
that's what I'm doing. Like literally, these trades that I'm taking right now, being copy trade on FTMO. So.
Hell yeah, bro. That's the move, to be honest. If you want like a long-term funding plan, for sure FTMO, like they got no problem paying you out for the next few years. That's a good extra source of income to have.
Max allocation on that, bro, you said.
Yeah, there you go. What's their max right now? 400 or 600?
400K, yeah, bro. I think it's 400.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, 400. All you gotta do is like what, 5%? Chill, that's it.
Bro, you don't need to work.
Yeah, that's it. You're done.
Bro, but yeah, bro. If anyone is thinking of getting the EA, like this one really changed. Like even when I saw the video when you said like the set file finder stuff, I was confused at first. I was like, that sounds good, bro, but I don't know if that's gonna like, am I gonna get into it? Am I gonna understand it or not? But then I kept watching your videos that you like the guides. I literally countless hours just sat on it watching it, and then I kept rewatching if I didn't understand. Then bro, I just literally had the one screen on with the video, the next one with the EA open. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna copy it. And then
just copy what I do, just like copy everything.
that's it. And then even like the optimization file that you shared, bro. Like this set file that I made, like it was from that optimization starter file, and I just changed up like EMAs and like a bit of like the lots.
Yeah, the starter file is a very good place to start. So it's just like you copy paste it, change maybe the lot sizes depending on your account, and then boom, run the optimization, let it do its thing. You know, sit back, relax, let it find you strategies, and then boom, it's time for you to start finding which ones will work for you, which ones don't work, which ones have too much drawdown, which ones have enough profit and a good amount of drawdown, and then you just select them, run them on demo for let's say a week, 2 weeks maximum. They're doing good. Okay, let's translate this over to a live account. You could start either, you could take that file, put it on a live account, or you could just copy trades from that same account that's doing well and then put it onto the actual live money account, and there you go. It's not that complicated.
I think one of the mistakes people make is back testing on the wrong, like let's say the broker you're not gonna trade with, like you're back testing on PU Prime, but you want to do a challenge or funded max. Like I've done it myself, where like you back test on that, and you copy the set file, but it doesn't work on that broker.
No.
So it's therefore like you need to be on that broker though.
100%, because the thing about Forex and Forex brokers is that they all have different data feeds. So like you could check 2 charts from 2 different brokers and it might look slightly different. And if that's the case, then how is the EA supposed to like adjust for that? It can't, right? So that's why like you got to do the whole process on whatever broker you're looking to trade with. If you want to use different ones, just copy trade. It's easy. Keep the main one and then copy those trades over to the other ones. Then because you're copying the entries, it will be accurate compared to like having the EA having to work inside of a different broker. It's not gonna know what to do really, and sometimes it won't even take trades.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing both of them. Like I'm copy trading through the little personal, like even the little personal, like start flipping it with this EA, and bro, like we're sitting at like 200%. Like just flipping.
But how much was it at first? Like what did you start with?
It was like a $300 account, right?
Okay.
That's like a little bit of bonus that you get with it when you sign up with a new credit. And then I just literally started checking like 5 lots, 0.10 lots. It was high risk if it went south, but I was like willing to lose that, you know?
Yeah, it's $300.
Slowly, like it just started like, because like these trades, even if they hit, they like catch like 100 pips, 90 pips on gold. And bro, even like 5 lots is like $50-$60. Like bro, just keeps like flipping and flipping. But that's the goal, you know, just willing to take the risk and just keep going.
So now that you got this working, you got a good strategy, what's your next plans? What's like, okay, I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 in order for like to really take off on my personal life or to really change my financial life?
So right now what I'm doing is I'm trading live, but I'm trading only with what I'm willing to lose kind of thing. And I'm like also like I'm on challenges right now with like big like 200k accounts, 100k accounts. So I'm just like passing them and just milk that as much, and then just trade with live capital. Like I have like a 20-30k account and making even like a little bit of percentage. I'm happy with that.
There you go, man. You got a solid plan. Now you just gotta execute, bro. That's it. You got the strategies locked in. You got it's already profitable. Now you just gotta, follow through with the plan.
Yeah, I see the people winning as well in the Discord, like Momo and other guys, King Golf, I think his name is. Yeah, they're all winning as well. Like, but I know they're putting the work as much as like I'm putting. So I think just putting the work, and even with the
100%, bro. That's it. It's like you combine your work with the decisions that the trading bot does, and that's it.
Yeah, after that, bro, after you done your back test, you just gotta sit and just look what the thing is doing. That's it, bro. Like maybe I'll optimize it again. Like that's what I did as well with that gold set file. I re-optimized it, even though I didn't need it to. I'll re-optimize it right now because was like only like 2-3 weeks ago. I just did it. But I redone it just to see what that like, can I improve it. So I kept doing that, bro, and yeah, bro, it's putting the work.
There you go, bro. You got a good plan. You just gotta follow through, and a few months you'll start seeing those big payouts coming in for sure.
Yeah, especially if you're psychologist, you can't do manual trading, bro. Just go from here. Like,
Yeah.
even if you lose, well, how much you gonna lose, bro? Like what, 2K, and then okay, it didn't work for you. Cool, just move on with something else. But if you put the work, it will work. So,
They will, because that's the thing. Like you're removing the biggest losing elements, which usually is you.
yeah, I mean, I could just sit here forever and keep trying to support, like, bro, help me. I can't understand without putting in the work, and they're like talking something else. I'm saying something else, and I'm gonna be in this spot forever if I don't take action, bro. So I just knew. I was like, okay, whatever. So, but even
Gotta take the risk.
Before with the Zoom call, the guy, I already watched so many videos of you. The guy was like, I don't know what his name was. He was like, yeah, you're good, bro. You can cut the call right now because you know what you're doing. I was like, cool, yeah.
Yeah, honestly, it's not that complicated. Once, you know, you watch the videos a couple of times, once it starts making sense, like, okay, this is simple. Maybe in the beginning it could be intimidating because you're hearing words that you're not used to. But after watching the video once, twice, you're like, okay, this is just fucking easy, bro.
Yeah, or you get kicked by the market, like the market condition kicked you. And maybe the EA is doing everything as he can, like as best as he can, but the market condition is not there.
Yeah, I mean that again, it's always a probabilities game, right? That's what trading is. It's not a guaranteed move. It never is, never will be. It's always a risk-taking play, and sometimes you might just enter at a bad time, you know.
Like that's why we have the equity stop. Like, bro, just put like, what are you willing to lose, bro? That thing is gonna stop there. Like with this Sapphire, I've got like 4.5, 4.2, something like that equity stop. We'll stop at that.
Yeah, that's it. Like you got your risk management in place. Worst case scenario, you know you're gonna lose this much. Boom. And you gotta be okay with that. You know that's again, just like with manual trading, you got your TP, you got your stop loss. You know, worst case scenario, I'm gonna lose this much. So it's like, okay, I'm okay with that.
That's it, bro. Yeah.
That's what it is, man. Man, that's it, really. Thank you for doing this interview with me, bro. Sharing your insight with the people. But yeah, let's do a recap next year whenever you come back to Dubai. We gotta do an in-person one, and we'll do a recap of where you are in the year.
Yeah, bro. Hopefully we just taking off from here, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. You're in the UK, right?
I'm in the UK, yeah, bro. Yeah.
So many UK people out here in Dubai, bro. As soon as they make some money, they come over here.
I think it's the third one. Like all the little Zoom that you've done, you've been with the people from the UK, I think.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Because Artorius and Momo both in the UK, and then you. Yeah, so the UK people killing it out here.
Pressure, bro. The UK pressure. You just.
Yeah, man. There's nothing to do, man. It's too dangerous outside. I heard London's getting fucked up and shit. So it's like, you know what? I'm gonna stay home and trade.
With your watches or like even iPhones, bro, they're getting stolen right now.
Yeah, I heard they're stealing everything. So it's like, you know what? I'm gonna stay home and trade.
It's a mess, bro. That's what I felt when I was in Dubai, bro. I left my phone. My phone was in my hand. I was literally walking like free, and the hotel rooms were all open. I was like, nah, this is different. I'm not used to this.
Yeah, no. Like, but it's dangerous too, because if you live here long enough, you start letting your guards down. If you travel, now your senses are dulled out, and then you forget, and then you get robbed or some shit, you know. So you gotta stay sharp, even if you're here. Like, you can't trust them.
Yeah, that's what people got. Like, that's the tourists that come from Dubai and stuff. They're not used to this at all. They're getting it.
Yeah. All right, man. Thanks for doing.